Our latissimus dorsi muscle is the very powerful shoulder extender, and it's used when we are doing a row, right? Not only are we squeezing our shoulder blades back, but we're bringing our elbow backwards, and that lat muscle contracts when we're doing a pull-up right here. And as we pull ourselves up, we're bringing our shoulders back and also together. That combined motion is what the latissimus dorsi does. It brings our arms together like this. It brings our shoulder back, our elbow back, and also rotates our shoulder a little bit, which has implications when we are in the hang position. But this muscle starts at the low back. It starts at an area called the thoracodorsal fascia or the thoracolumbar fascia. All this is it's a huge amount of fascia, which is just connective tissue, and the low back. And the whole point of this, the whole purpose of this fascia is to create stability. So when our latissimus dorsi, when it's contracted, when I do this, it actually pulls here, and then it originates here and pulls and allows it to pull my shoulder back. When this is combined with my glute, so my left shoulder goes back, my right leg goes back, the glute also connects to that thoracodorsal fascia, and the lat does as well. And it creates this oblique line. If you can see here, I'll move I don't want to whack anything, but it creates this oblique line here, left lat, right glute, that creates stability and pulls on that fascia and creates a whole host of stability in the low back. So if you're having low back pain and shoulder pain, if you're like this and you run like this, or you're trying to lift like this, if you deadlift like this, you're going to have a bad time and have back pain because you're not able to activate the lat and create the amount of stability that you need to create. So a great stretch we can use. You can use a door frame or a door, the frame of the door, a wall. I recommend a PVC pipe, a broomstick, whatever you got. It's a great way to stretch out the latissimus dorsi and improve, because a lot of the times, guys, if this is tight, it's going to throw off our mechanics of the low back. It's going to limit our ability to rotate, and it's going to tighten down our thoracic spine. And when this happens, a lot more pressure gets put on our low back when we're running, deadlifting, squatting. So making sure we have the mobility in this lat muscle is huge and of the utmost importance. So grab your PVC pipe right out in front of you. If I'm going to work on my right side here, I'm going to back up a little bit. Thumb up right on top of the pipe there, and you're going to hip hinge down. So you're going to lean down this way. And if you feel a stretch here already, that means you're really tight. Hang out here. But what I would like you to do is, I'm actually going to kick my hips out this way. Oh, excuse me, I'm going to side bend this way. So essentially I'm trying to gap this way when I'm doing this. I like to kick my hips out that way as well. It creates a little bit more of that force for me. So we're here, really gonna side bend out. And I don't feel it too much because I'm nice and loose. Let me try the other way. Oh, I'm definitely much tighter on this side. Okay, so we're here, thumb up, right, bam, right on top. Get as much of the shoulder flexion as we can, coming down. And then I feel just a little bit here. I know if I push out this way, I'm going to feel a whole host of stretching on that lat muscle. And the goal is 2 minutes, guys. So if you have some shoulder pain and low back pain, this lat muscle is probably involved. So grab your PVC pipe, grab your broomstick, the broomstick handle, and go to town and have fun. 2 minutes is the gold standard. Again, here, bam, and then we're going to push out to the side. If there's too many directions, if I gave you too many, it's 2 gold ones to remember. Thumb on top, or 3, I guess. Thumb on top. Hinge as much as you can, lean forward, and then just side bend to the opposite direction. You can add some rotation in as well to kind of freestyle this, but adding that side bend is very, very important. Hope you guys enjoyed it.